What if we were to delve into the profound symbolism and cultural significance of spring couplets for the year of Chen 2024? What insights might we uncover about this age-old tradition? And how can it illuminate our understanding of the world around us? The spring couplets for this year read as follows. Restoring the inherent spirituality reflects the radiance of the rabbit in the year of Gui Mao. Recognizing the essence illuminates the brilliance of the dragon in the year of Chen. The first line, restoring the inherent spirituality reflects the radiance of the rabbit in the year of Gui Mao, speaks of a return to one's original spiritual nature, a kind of reawakening. This line is a reminder that in the midst of chaos and calamity, it's crucial to remember that these are part of the universe's natural cycle of creation and transformation. The term radiance of the rabbit signifies moonlight, a reflection of the sun, the ultimate source of light, which is symbolic of God. It's a reminder that we should strive to reflect the virtues and qualities of divine beings in our daily lives, just as the moon reflects the light of the sun. The second line, recognizing the essence illuminates the brilliance of the dragon in the year of Chen, calls for understanding the true nature of things. Recognizing the essence is not merely about achieving a state of enlightenment, but also about creating an alignment with the will of God, participating in the nurturing of heaven and earth. The brilliance of the dragon is a symbol of the power and majesty of this celestial creature, revered in Chinese culture for its wisdom and strength. In essence, these spring couplets for the year of Chen 2024 invite us to return to our original spiritual nature, to reflect divine light in our lives, and to recognize and align ourselves with the fundamental essence of the universe. They call us to participate actively in the creation and nurturing of the world, guided by divine will and wisdom. As we journey through the year of the dragon, let these profound words resonate, illuminating our path with the wisdom of the ages. The spring couplets are not just lines of poetry. They are a spiritual compass, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. In this year of Chen 2024, may the wisdom of the spring couplets guide us all towards a more enlightened existence.